You're looking for a new keyboard. You've probably seen the terms membrane and mechanical everywhere. On the surface, they look the same, but under the keycaps, the differences are huge. Today, we're breaking down the real differences between membrane and mechanical keyboards: build, feel, durability, cost, and which is right for you. No jargon, just what matters for your daily use. Let's get started. First, let's look inside. Membrane keyboards use thin plastic sheets and rubber domes. Press a key, the dome collapses, and a circuit completes. It's simple, cheap, and treats the whole keyboard as one unit. Mechanical keyboards are different. Every key has its own switch, like a tiny machine with a spring and metal contacts. This means better materials, more durability, and tons of customization. You can swap switches, change keycaps, and even repair individual keys. In short, membrane equals one big sheet, mechanical equals lots of little machines. That's the foundation for everything else. Membranes are cost-effective and basic. Mechanicals are complex, robust, and built to last. This difference shapes the entire keyboard experience. Now, how do they actually feel beneath your fingertips? Let's dive into the tactile experience of typing. Membrane keyboards are soft and a bit mushy. You have to press each key all the way down, which can get tiring after long sessions. There's not much feedback, so it can feel less precise, especially if you type a lot. Mechanical keyboards, on the other hand, offer a range of options. Linear switches are smooth and quiet, great for fast, uninterrupted typing. Tactile switches give a satisfying bump, letting you feel exactly when a key registers, which many find boosts accuracy. And clicky switches add a loud, crisp click. Some people love the sound, others find it distracting, but it's undeniably distinctive. With mechanicals, you don't always have to bottom out the key, so typing can be faster and less fatiguing, especially during long gaming or work sessions. Gamers love linears for speed and smoothness, while typists often prefer tactiles for that reassuring feedback with every press. And clicky fans just love the sound and the classic typing feel. It's almost addictive for some. The key point is that mechanicals let you pick your perfect feel with dozens of switch types to match your style. Membranes are more of a one-size-fits-all solution. If you care about typing comfort, speed, or just want a more engaging experience, mechanicals are the clear winner. But if you just want something basic and affordable, membranes are perfectly fine. The choice is yours to make. Typing is personal, so try different keyboards and pick what feels best to you. That's the real difference that matters. Let's talk noise. The sound your keyboard makes isn't just background. It's a huge part of the typing experience, whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing. Membrane keyboards are quiet, just a soft thud, thanks to the rubber domes under each key. They're designed to keep things subtle and distraction-free. That makes them perfect for offices, libraries, or late-night use when you don't want to disturb anyone around you. Mechanical keyboards, on the other hand, can be loud or quiet, depending on the switch you choose. Clicky switches are noisy and satisfying, giving you that classic click-clack sound, while tactiles are a bit quieter but still offer feedback. Linears are the softest of the bunch, with a smooth, almost silent press that's great for shared spaces. You can customize the sound even more with O-rings, lube, or foam. Each tweak changes the way your keyboard sounds and feels. Want a deep thock or a sharp click? It's up to you. Membranes are always quiet and consistent, but mechanicals give you control over every aspect of your sound profile. If silence matters most, stick with membrane or opt for silent mechanical switches to keep things peaceful. If you love feedback and want your keyboard to have personality, mechanicals deliver that in spades. Sound is part of the experience. Choose what fits your space, your style, and your needs. With mechanicals, you're in charge of the noise, customized to your heart's content. With membranes, what you hear is what you get. Simple, quiet, and reliable. How long will your keyboard last? Membrane keyboards usually last 1.5 million key presses per key. Heavy use can wear them out fast. Rubber domes lose bounce, keys get mushy, and you can't really repair them. Mechanical keyboards? Most switches are rated for 50-100 million presses. The feel stays consistent for years, even with heavy use. If a switch fails, you can often replace just that key. No need to toss the whole board. Mechanical keyboards are built to be repaired and upgraded. Membranes are disposable. Mechanicals are an investment. If you want something that lasts, mechanical is the way to go. Durability is a big win for mechanicals. What about price? Membrane keyboards are cheap. $10 to $30 for basic models, maybe $60 for gaming versions. They're great for tight budgets or bulk office buys. Mechanical keyboards start around $40, $70 for entry-level, $80, $150 for quality brands, and can go much higher for custom builds. You're paying for better materials, feel, and longevity. Membranes are a quick, cheap fix. Mechanicals are a long-term investment. If you type a lot, the extra cost pays off in comfort and durability. For casual use, membranes are fine. It's all about what you value most. Who should use which? Membrane keyboards are best for offices, schools, and anyone who needs a quiet, affordable keyboard for basic tasks. They're easy to replace and perfect for high-traffic or messy environments. Mechanical keyboards are for gamers, writers, programmers, and anyone who types a lot or wants a premium experience. Gamers get speed and precision, typists get comfort and feedback, and enthusiasts get endless customization. If you want to build, mod, or personalize, mechanical is the only way. Membranes are simple and practical. Mechanicals are for those who want more from their keyboard. Think about your needs. Don't overpay for features you won't use. The right keyboard depends on your daily routine. Choose what fits your life. So, what should you buy? With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming to pick the right keyboard for your needs. Gamers, go mechanical, preferably with linear switches for speed and smooth keystrokes. These are perfect for fast-paced action and competitive play. Typists and office pros, choose a mechanical keyboard with tactile switches for comfort and satisfying feedback. Your fingers will thank you during long typing sessions. If you need quiet, look for silent mechanical switches or a high-quality membrane. These options help keep noise down in shared spaces or late-night work. On a tight budget, a good membrane keyboard from a trusted brand will do the job reliably, and you won't have to break the bank. Don't overspend on flashy features if you don't need them. Extra lights and keys are fun, but not essential for everyone. If you type all day, invest in a mechanical. It's worth it for the durability and comfort over time. For casual users, membranes are fine and affordable. They're easy to use and get the job done for everyday tasks. Upgrade when you're ready for more comfort or customization. There are plenty of ways to personalize your keyboard experience. The best keyboard is the one that fits your needs and budget. Don't be swayed by trends. Focus on what works for you. Try before you buy if you can. Feel matters most. Testing different keyboards in person can make a big difference. Make your choice with confidence, knowing you've considered what matters most for your typing experience. That's the real story of membrane versus mechanical keyboards. Membranes are quiet and cheap. Mechanicals are durable, customizable, and a joy to use. Pick what fits your needs, your space, and your budget. Let us know in the comments. Are you team membrane or team mechanical? If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tech savvy.